How to defeat bosses easily in solo leveling Arise. First of all, open the game and head into any dungeon or gate where a boss fight takes place. Before jumping into battle, make sure your main hunter and team are properly upgraded, level up, enhance weapons, and equip strong gear to increase your chances of survival. Next, study the boss attack patterns carefully. Dodge red mark areas and use counter or dodge skills at the right moment to avoid massive damage. Always summon your shadow army during the boss vulnerable phase or when your main skills are on cooldown to maintain steady damage output. Use your ultimate skills strategically with other powerful abilities for burst damage, especially when the boss shield or stagger bar is broken. Don't forget to use potions and buffs before battling to boost your attack and defense. If you are stuck, switch to a hunter with elemental advantage or stronger control skills. With good timing, dodging, and right setup, you can defeat even the toughest bosses easily. Now you know how to defeat bosses easily in solo leveling Arise. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.